If we say that Kabir was at the bank of the river in the childhood, it has been taken by Weber. And his whole life brought up by the Weber means Julaha, it is known as. So he is in a lower caste, considered as. And therefore he found that in the society what is the situation of it, the social and then religion. जब भी आप सोशल रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म पढ़ोगे तो इट इज़ इन रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म, इट इज़ नॉट अ सोशल, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ जितनी भी सोशल ill wills are there, inhuman practices are there, it is originated from the religion. Therefore our social religious reformers started doing religion reform in the religion, automatically social reform. Understood? Then if I am talking about इन्होंने, if you have to study something, he has shown you the complete Mughal picture, what is the social society and what kind of religion at that time. तो जब भी कभी पढ़ना होगा तो आपको you have to write in the essay also, those who are in the North India and the South India people want to utilize Kabir Dohas, if you utilize 100% in the essay you will get good marks. For the essay 50 lines, best line you remember by the best portion, and then 50 better poems, better line, then you know that these 50 lines and all, it says several words. In the world history, if you say that several philosophers are there in the revolution, they have said the greatest line. Then the recent, if you're talking about the whosoever the presidents, Abul Kalam Azad, who has gone, they have also given some statement regarding it. Remember those lines. When you are writing something, those lines will be what is an impactful, because this line says thousands words in few words. So for writing essay, you should be good at all this. Understood? Thereafter, if I am talking about, I said that Kabir Dham, if you go into the Kabir Dham, आपको सबसे अच्छा लगेगा, राजा का आनंद मिलेगा. कैसा मिलेगा? राजनंद गांव. So which are the district I said that? Kabir Dham, Rajnand गांव. Thereafter I said that Bastar, उत्तर बस्तर जिसको बोला जाता है, पहले मैं that is उत्तर बस्तर, उत्तर means north, this is Bastar, this is Dakshin Bastar, but I say Kanked, Bastar, Dantewada, Kanked, Bastar, Dantewada. Which are the district I said that? Kanked, Bastar, Dantewada. Which are the district I said that? Kanked, Bastar, Dantewada. Understood? कभी आप न्यूज़ में सुनेंगे दांतेवाड़ा in the region नक्सल attack has been taken place. Kanked, Bastar, Dantewada. Which are the district I said that? Kanked, Bastar. Achha, tell me, life means what? And your preparation is what? It's a very smooth preparation. Every day you have some hurdles. You have hurdles, but you do not realize it. You work hard. जब hard work करोगे, you will find hurdles are there. And those who always face hurdle, one more achievement is there. Cross the achievement, and then come and me and ask me. And then every day you find some kind of some hurdles and some kind of challenge in your life. Face this challenge, then you will be able to get. So उसको बोलते हैं hurdles in your life is like a stone in your life. When the stone comes in your mouth, खाते समय क्या लगता है? So problems in your life make you more smarter and smarter. So कांके, कंकड़ कहाँ आ गया? भरा हुआ बस्ता, बस्ता मीन्स बॉक्स. कंकड़ बस्ता में भरा हुआ आपको दांतों के नीचे इस लाइफ में निकलना है. और आप सोचते हो इट्स एन इजी प्रिपरेशन. Yes, it's an easy preparation, but throughout every day face the kankad. Kankad, दांतेवाड़ा, कंकड़, बस्तर, दांतेवाड़ा. कंकड़ मिलेगा बस्ता भरकर और दांतों के नीचे आपको चबाना होगा. So it is a harder, and when you face the hardship, selection is there. I said that कांकेड़, बस्तर, दांतेवाड़ा. कांकेड़, बस्तर, कंकड़ मिलेगा बस्ता भरकर दांत के नीचे. कांकेड़, बस्तर, दांतेवाड़ा. Can you remember in your mind? Kanked, Bastar, Dantewada. Which are I said that? Tell me.